If you tried to build a code written in Python that accepts an input from the user in Sublime text editor, you will find that the output is not as expected. So if I tried to build and I entered my name, nothing appears. However, the output should be like this. To solve this issue, you will need to install two packages and create a new build system. Start by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette and type install. Press enter, then search for the terminus package and press enter to install it. You will find that it's being installed in the bottom left corner. After it's successfully installed, press Ctrl+Shift+P again to open the command palette and install the second package, which is package dev, and press enter. Open the command palette again, type VPF and press enter. Type sublime-build python and press enter to open the file. Copy all the contents of this file using Ctrl+A then Ctrl+C and close this file. Now go to Tools, choose Build System, then New Build System. Delete the contents of this file and press Ctrl+V. Add the following 3 lines inside the file as follows. Press Ctrl+S to save the file and name it interactive python.sublime-build. Save the file. This is not going to appear for you. Then close the file. Go to Tools again. Choose Build System and choose the new build system that we have just created, which is interactive Python. Now you can build your file. Press Ctrl+Shift+P and type build and choose build with interactive Python. If you now type your name, it should appear on the screen. Subscribe if it worked for you. Bye bye.